And this is the perks of cooking at home. So this is what we have for the 20 euros. Look at Greetings everyone, it's Gabby here. Welcome back into my channel. Yes, welcome back. So I have 20 euros in my hand. I am going to challenge myself to get a decent dinner for this one. So you all know by now, if you are living here in the Netherlands, how expensive it is here, right? So if you go to a restaurant, in a mid-range restaurant, you can get like 60 euros for a 3-course meal for two. And like if you go to McDonald's, you have 8 euros combi, and if you are a couple, you have 16 euros together. So, but I am trying to attempt to get a decent dinner for this one. So, I cannot wait. We'll see. We shop together, we cook together, and we will see the outcome of it. Yeah? I'm excited. Oh my god, I'm so thrilled. See you! So, we're getting this one. So we are making canelone for our main course. It's canelone with spinach and ricotta. Yeah? Ricotta. So it's €2.39. Need some spinach. I get the frozen one. So we got what we need. So I have in total of 19 euros 75 cents, and we're going to check what I got. We arrive home and it's exciting. So we are back home and I'm gonna show you. So we have in total of 19 euros and 75 cents, if you can see it. A little bit like, yeah, 19 euros and 75 cents, and I have my 25 cent here change. Yeah? So I'm gonna show you what we have here. So for the main course, I'm going to make a canelone, and with that I have some parmigiano, and we need some cream, of course, and ricotta for it. These are ingredients, and I want it nice and soft, so I have 2 cream for that. And of course we are spinach, so I'm going to thaw this. Spinach for the filling of the canelone. We also have for the starter, I have some mozzarella here. And look at that, I can buy 2 tomatoes only, so this is for our starter. And we have some dessert as well, so I decided to make panna cotta. So I have egg, and I have cream, I need that, and sugar, yeah? So, and of course, I love seafood, so I have some gambas here. So gambas is like prawn, shrimp in English. So I have this. So I'm gonna show you, we have to make this and cook this, and of course we are going to show the result. Yeah, let's do this. So I am going to thaw the spinach. So we're going to thaw that together also with the shrimp here. So first we're going to make the dessert. It's the Panna Cotta, okay? So let's do this. So first we're going to make the dessert. It's the Panna Cotta. Okay, so let's do this. Sprinkling. So next we're going to get started with the filling of our Canelone. So I'm going to grind the cheese first. Okay, the ricotta. Parmesan. You have to leave some for garnish. Salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. And give it a good stir. So there you go. You can add up some eggs if you like. It's optional, but I'm not gonna put. It's fine. It's not watery. It's good. Then you can add up some salt, whatever you like salt, pepper, more, depending on your taste buds. Canelone is depending on what type of sauce you want. So because we're going to bake it, and you want some white sauce with bechamel, or you want red sauce, which is tomato sauce, it depends on you. But with this one, I am going to make a bechamel sauce, the white one. So So our cannelloni is almost done. So I'm going to make now our appetizer starter. So I have washed tomatoes and fresh mozzarella for the caprese, and of course for me I have my gambas here. So I'm gonna cook it. So I heat up the pan and put some olive oil in there. So I just wait it for it to be hot. So gambas in. Salt. So we cook it until it's red. Put it in the plate. So that is our appetizer. This caprese and the gambas here. So I'm going to take the main course. So our main course is ready. Canelone, look at that. It looks so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna slice it as well. We have the cannelloni, look at that. We have this one as well. It's beautiful, isn't it? And we still have something huge left here. So the last part is the dessert. So it's here. So it's in the fridge like 3 hours, I guess. Yes. So that's how long we did it. So I need like warm water to soak this one, and I also gonna plate it, of course. So we will see. So this is the Panna Cotta. This is the full meal, like appetizers here, starter, and the main course are here. This is the Canelone, and we have some Panna Cotta here. So this is the 20 euros dinner, full 20 euros dish that I make. So this is my starter, the caprese, and my gambas here, and also the main course, which is the cannellone and the panna cotta. So of course I have also finishing touches of it. Since I have molasses here, I would like to put it on my Panna Cotta. So look at that. Yeah. So this is not already included in the 20 euros because I always have this in my fridge. So I just want to put a finishing touch. So as I said again, this is the perks of cooking at home. So this is what we have for the 20 euros. So hope you guys have an idea what you can spend on your 20 euros. So yes, this is Gabby and I will see you again on the next challenge. Yeah, bye guys!